The 2023 Alpine A110 Eternite emerges as a notable entrant in the sports car realm, introducing a unique Eternite Grey color scheme inspired by the hues of rocks in the French Alps. This special edition offers exclusivity, limiting production to merely 100 units worldwide. The aesthetic appeal of the car is amplified by contrasting black elements, including a black roof, wheels, and exterior badges, imparting an impressive chic appearance. The heart of the A110 Eternite is a robust, turbocharged 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, identical to the one powering the standard A110, generating a remarkable 296 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. This potent powertrain ensures thrilling performance. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it guarantees a seamless and dynamic driving experience. Performance-wise, the A110 Eternite impresses with a quick sprint time, dashing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.2 seconds. It further boasts a top speed of 177 miles per hour, a testament to the sheer performance capabilities this sports car can deliver. Despite its formidable power, the car maintains a graceful composure, embodying the true spirit of a high-performance sports car. The A110 Eternite embraces a black-themed ambience, complemented by Alcantara upholstery and carbon fiber accents that elevate its sporty, luxurious feel. An emblem of its rarity, the car bears a numbered plaque attesting to its limited edition status, adding to the aura of distinction and exclusivity. The A110 Eternite, priced at $78,900 in the US, represents a blend of exclusivity, performance, and aesthetics. For those seeking a limited edition sports car with a distinctive look and remarkable performance, the Alpine A110 Eternite stands as a compelling choice. Further enhancing its appeal are undisclosed features such as the car's name being a nod to eternity stone found in the French Alps, and its interior featuring luxurious black Alcantara, a synthetic suede known for its plush feel. The car also flaunts carbon fiber accents contributing to weight reduction and performance enhancement, and it comes standard with amenities like a Bose sound system, panoramic sunroof, and a heated steering wheel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.